today's the day. Today's the day we actually start building on this thing. It's about time. It has been a long time. This slab has sat since October. It is end of June. We've just been busy. Other things have taken our time. Maybe a little bit of procrastination, but no longer. Today, Duke, hopefully by the end of the day, actually I highly doubt that, won't be able to stand there because there'll be some walls framed there. I actually feel like today is going to be nothing but a day of running between here and the shop over there, just gathering all the tools that we need. It'd be like a setup day, but I hope we have something done by the end of the day. Right, Shelly? Oh, yeah, thank you. Shelly agrees. All right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get set up. We're going to start framing up some walls. Here we go. That is what we're putting down underneath. Instead of that foamy, spongy stuff, we're putting this copper termite flashing. And yes, you can use it on wood, and you can also glue it down to concrete. That is what the installation instructions say. So that's what we're doing. Maybe because people got us freaked out because there's a lot of termites around here. And maybe because, well, a lot of termite damage at my in-laws' place. Hence why I had to replace the rim board and 18 floor joists. So hopefully this helps prevent that. I don't know. Well, only time will tell. Otherwise, that's pretty good. Concrete. That gap. Oh, that gap.
You can't return that.
I'm not old.
Well, you're not old. Okay.
Nope.
Good to know.
These aren't trifocals.
Figure out how you could lay this out in the shade, but I don't think you can. I'm very sorry.
I got 18. That's where we're leaving it for this day, simply because it's pretty windy tonight and I don't want to set this up and I don't have enough in me to frame up another wall. So we're going to leave this on the ground for today. Tomorrow we'll come back, we'll stand it up, we'll frame up this other wall, we'll support it, tie these two walls together, and hopefully get that wall up as well. And then we can just finish that opening for the garage door. It was a day of not very much progress, but we knew that it was not going to be much progress because it just seemed like there's going to be a whole lot of running around going to get whatever tools we needed, which are down on the other side of the property. And that seems like how we spent most of our day. However, old Massey over here came in clutch because we needed to get to these 2x6s and that stack of 2x4s and 2x16s were on top. And so rather than pulling those off one at a time by hand, the forks on this guy came in handy. And we just used the forks because thanks to Trey we could. So old Massey. I wonder how much we'll get done in week 1. Week 1 should be interesting. Okay, see ya. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope you will be.